So look at here, how to write the answer for this question.
Bhagwat sir,
Yes,
Madhusmita ma'am
madam.
here. Yes, sir, just
Yes,
a
ma'am.
minute. Yesterday
Okay.
I had told these group of children who were creating
Okay.
nuisance, writing
Yes, ma'am.
horrible, horrendous things. I had
Okay.
told
Okay.
you all,
In starting. Okay.
sir, just let me tell the children.
Uh-huh.
Children, I had told
Please.
you yesterday while taking my class, your
Yes.
whatever you are chatting, everything is able, everyone is able to see
It is.
it. And
It,
it
yes.
was told yesterday that henceforth, if you write like this, we are going to kick you out of this group. You will no more be able to log into this online classes.
Good.
This,
Good.
this
This.
forum is not to have such chats in here.
Yes.
It's not fun. And who is that
Yes.
who told sir I love you? Who is that person?
Yes. Yes. Someone has told in between. I have
Yes.
told. We are pressing it, and we will decide.
Yes. No, no, sir.
Yes.
Those who are
Yes,
writing
I have
all.
kept it. I have, madam, I have kept already screenshot, and I will send to
Yes.
the principal sir and the chairman sir also. I will send that
Yes,
screenshot.
sir.
They will decide what to do.
And
I will do.
now
Ma'am,
I
it's
will.
really unbearable to attend the class like this, saying slangs in the chat box.
Yes, I
Ma'am,
could
it's
see all the slangs. I could see all the slangs. This is not acceptable. In our school, in this forum, this is not acceptable. All these people who have given their names as omelette,
Yeah,
skaunga,
yeah.
yeah, something,
Hmm.
auton, something. So very, very horrible, very, very horrendous task
Very
you are
well.
doing.
Yeah,
If you don't want to attend, you go. Otherwise, from tomorrow onwards, action will be taken.
correct.
Here, you are not there to use this forum in this way. You
Yes,
don't want,
all
go
are
away.
saying.
Don't, no distraction from your
125
side.
to 200 people are saying. This is not
And
good.
all others who are genuinely interested in the class will write a complaint letter to principal sir that
Yes.
this is the thing, this is happening. All of you can mail it to principal sir that we are
Yes,
unable to
I will mail.
concentrate in the class.
I have kept a screenshot and I will send.
Yes, sir.
Verification.
I have also
Yes,
taken
madam.
the screenshots of what
Yes.
vulgar things
They
they
are
are
writing.
writing here.
Yes. Sure.
So if now the message is 3, if it increases to 4, this class will
Yeah.
be shut down.
So
I
done.
have
Yeah.
also
You will
taken
tell
Bhagwat
please.
sir,
Yes, sir.
Sarjeev sir. I have also taken the
Yes, sir.
screenshot.
Yes, sure, sir.
Okay,
Everyone
sir.
should take screenshot, so there will be solid proof, and we will message it or send it to principal and the chairman also. They should
Sir,
know
sir.
what
Sir.
type of students are there, what moral behavior they have.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
If they
sir.
are not
And
interested,
we
they
will,
can leave the group.
sir, we will send these screenshots to their parents. Easily we can
Yeah,
identify
sure,
who are they. We have
sure,
already found
sure.
out. We are going to send
Yes,
it to their parents
Madhusmita
what
ma'am.
the children. Yes, sir.
Madhusmita
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Sure, sure.
As per the today's discussion,
Yes.
if anyone will do like that, we can means next onwards we will block them.
No, we
Yes,
know,
sure.
sir has told, today chairman sir has told that they
Hmm.
will be blocked. I hope you all are listening, great people. You all are listening there. I hope all these children are listening. Strict action will be taken, stringent action will be taken from tomorrow.
Hmm.
This is not done.
It is required.
No one will write
Those who are not
anything.
interested should leave. Those who are not interested can exit the group.
Yes,
It is not
yes, they are
compulsory.
told. No, sir, they are told that they will leave, but they are not leaving
Yes,
because they find it's a very
yes.
nice platform for
Okay,
all these
okay,
kinds of
fun.
chat.
For fun. This is fun class they are thinking of.
Yes, yes,
Madhusmita ma'am, Bhagwat sir. I
yes,
think
Yes,
they
sir.
sir.
do not know about the concept of online teaching.
Yes,
Yes. They do not know. They are new for this, so they are making trouble and they are making fun. Other students will see and they will laugh at. So this
This
is
is
their intention.
sincere request.
And
If anyone has no
and
interest, anyone has no interest,
yeah,
he or she can leave.
yes,
no,
sure.
they will leave if they are leaving because
Always we will talk.
yesterday also after I told no one wrote anything else after that. But again, just wanted to see whether they are doing what I have told. I found it group of children, they are again creating ruckus in this group. So you are, if you are again doing the same, you are going to be blocked from tomorrow. Mind it.
Actually, instead of
Thank you,
asking
sir.
them to,
Yes, yes, sir.
We have to ask them to write the actual names instead of writing these nonsense names. They're writing
Yes,
actual.
sir. We
They
have
have to write
already,
the
we
actual
have
names.
told. Yes, we are telling them now. We have told them. Otherwise, also we have found out a technique to find out who is this person if they are not writing
Yes,
their real name, or we
yes,
will
yes,
not
madam.
accept, sir. We will not accept or we will not allow them to join if they do not have their real name from tomorrow.
Yes, madam. Yes, that is the best
Sure.
way. We can.
Yes,
Name
sir.
and admission number should reflect. Or
Admission
the
number and
child,
Yes,
Yes, yes,
admission number and name
yes,
should be
yes,
there. That is
yes,
their
sir.
ID. And
yes.
Yes,
also
sir.
one
Yes,
option
sir.
should
We
be
are going
there.
to do that, and all other children.
Madhusudana ma'am, one more option should be,
Yes.
otherwise one option should be given to the teacher who is teaching to kick them out from the chatting.
Yes,
That
sir.
should be also
Yes, sir.
that is
We will do something, sir.
yeah,
We
yeah,
will
sure.
one simple solution which sir has told today, principal sir and chairman sir.
Yes,
If they are not coming, trying to join with their real name, we are
yeah,
not going to allow them.
correct. This
That
is
is
very good
number one.
decision. It should be done.
Yes.
Good.
Otherwise,
Good afternoon to all of
if
you.
they join,
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
yes, sir, is yours.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, sir.
So, children, you all, I think you all been in good health, and you know that the teachers are working hard to bring all such classes to your benefit. And if you are not going to be there, this ground rule whichever been framed at here, please, I'm telling you that will be stopped. And second is that, as Madhusmita ma'am has told, tomorrow onward, if anybody who is not who's in the name of your good name or admission number, then you will be out from this. Who is this person whose microphone is on? Kailash Kali Charan Panda.
He
Yes,
is
sir.
our teacher, sir. He
Kali
is our
Charan
teacher.
Panda.
He is our teacher. Maths teacher, Kacharan Panda.
So let him keep it microphone off.
Yeah, yeah, off. Please, Kalchan sir, off the microphone.
I let that if any child who is making mischievous things and chatting or making noise, then let us throw that person out. For one child, we should not have stop for the others.
Sir, still also someone is chatting. Who is this Obama bin Laden?
Who is that
Who is
person?
chatting still also? Obama bin Teresa still also chatting while you are telling also.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Obama
Yeah,
bin Teresa is also chatting.
Hold on. Yes.
Abba
Who is
Harmony
that?
wale also chatting.
Who?
Obama
Sir,
bin
Obama
Teresa लिखा है.
bin Teresa and
Yeah.
Abba Harmonium wale.
Okay,
These two are still
who is that
chatting.
person? Please go log out from here.
One Abba Harmonium Wale is here,
Abba Harmonium also.
and Osama bin Teresa and Osama bin Laden.
Yeah, yeah. These are the ID.
Okay,
Still after
these
telling
people
also
has
you
to
are
be
chatting.
out. Get out. Out from here first. Who is that? Can you please be out from this group? Obama bin Teresa. Can you please be out from this? Yes, thank you.
Very good, very good. Now mute your mic. Good, student. Now mute your mic.
Who else was telling, ma'am?
Sir, that Harmonium Wale, Abba Harmonium Wale. He is still
Who
there.
is that? Where is it?
Sir, just I think Rakesh Swami after this, that Abba Harmonium Wale.
Whenever you are considering something to be leaving
Can you please be out?